Hello, my besties! Did you see the new glitter pillar candles from the Dollar Tree? Such a great value. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to create a tall arrangement on the budget using mostly Dollar Tree items and grocery store flowers. The glitter pillar candles come in 4 colors. I picked red because it goes with my party theme. I also got the fishbowl and the cylinder vases from the Dollar Tree. Also, you're gonna need some floral foam. I got the wet one because I'll be using the real flowers from the grocery store. Got some greenery from the garden. And my special weapon is the floral ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you why. I'm making centerpieces for a large party, so I like to lay out everything and sort it out by color and type so it's easy to work with. We are going to make the arrangement in the fishbowl. Got my sponge wet already, adjusted to size, and here comes that floral ribbon. We are going to wrap it around our floral foam, cover it up, tape it on the side with a little bit of clear Scotch tape, and now when we put it back in the fishbowl, you're gonna see only the green ribbon, and it's kind of looks like a green leaf, doesn't it? I think it's a great trick to cover up that unsightly foam. And then to raise up the arrangement, we are going to use the cylinder upside down and then glue the fishbowl on top of it. Use the shrunk glue like E6000. Please note my foam sticks out about ½ inch from the container. It is on purpose, so I could insert my flowers right in there. That part is not covered with the green ribbon. First, I insert my ferns in a shape of a triangle. You want to add something like this in your tall arrangement for a little bit of drama and also cascading effect. Next, we are going to fill in the center with the greenery. And these are my hedges. Always come in handy and they're free. Can't complain about that. You insert a tallest piece in the center and then a few small pieces all around there. The greenery is done, so we are moving on to the largest flowers. We insert the tallest one in the center and then the shorter ones on the side. I have only 2 large asters like that. I have to spread them throughout my arrangements. I wish I had 3, but I have a bunch of daisies. A cluster like that will serve as a one big one. So just remove the leaves from the bottom, cut it shorter, and insert it on the opposite side. Perfect. And now I'm going to fill in with all my smaller flowers. I like using the carnations, asters, daisies because they're nice and hard flowers, long-lasting, and I don't have to worry about them fainting the next day at my party. I know it's gonna stay up nicely. So as you can see, I'm just spreading these throughout the arrangement. So when I bought my flowers, I sorted them out, divided by the number of arrangements, and I know how many I can use for each centerpiece. And then I just make it work. Oh, I forgot I have some ivy for every arrangement too, for a little bit of a cascading effect. And finally, we are going to fill in with the smallest flowers. Like I have these mini carnations. I'm just separating some of them to pieces. And this larger cluster, maybe we could insert in the center here. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. And then the small ones as fillers throughout. And same with the daisies. I like to use whatever we have left in the garden. These long leaves can add a little bit of drama here too. I'm just cutting the ends so they're sharp and easy to insert into foam. And add some more drama here. Maybe one sticking up this way, another one the other way. How about we bend it and fold it over like that? I'm going to pin it down with a toothpick so it stays in place. How about one more on the other side? How about one more pointy one over there? A little bit too long, so I'm just going to give it a haircut. Step back, take a look at the whole thing, see if you need to add anything extra. Always leave some extra greenery for the end because you want to fill in any holes. Make sure it's nice and full and your foam is not showing anywhere. So some smaller pieces around the edge to cover it up. I got some red glitter tape at Walmart and I'm going to use it to cover up that place where the two vases meet, especially if you have some glue leakage, you want to cover it up. Plus, it's complementing the candle. Remember? Here it is. When you buy your candle, make sure there's that little strip is still in there because that means the battery's fresh. Turn on your candle, lift up the arrangement, set it up. And how cute is that? You can only imagine how much you would have to pay a florist for a nice tall arrangement like that with a candle and create a big impact at your party. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.